Hi Balcony fam, today we're going to show you how to restain your bar. You'll notice after a year of being exposed to the elements, the bar will slightly fade. So we're going to show you how to bring it back to its original self. To stain your bar, you're going to need a wet soft cloth. You can either use a stain pad or a stain cloth, and you'll need your stain. It's called Rubio Monocoat Hybrid Wood Protector. It's a one coat outdoor stain. Basically what happens is the stain forms a molecular bond with the top wood fibers, which allow it to be water resistant and going to maintain the natural look of the wood, so all of the beautiful grain and the knots will still be visible. It's just going to protect it for a longer term. So first, take a wet soft cloth, wipe the bar down, give it a nice clean. Make sure you get all the oils, all the dirt, all the grease out of the bar top. You want to get some painter's tape, and you just want to cover up the logo here. So now we're gonna wait till it dries. You're gonna open your stain, add some to your stain pad, evenly disperse the stain across all the backsplash and the bar top. So once you've completed your stain and you've balanced out the finish, we recommend that you don't use your bar for about 24 hours, so just to let it dry, let it seal, and from there you'll be good to go.